Hi guys, it's Katie. I have my meal plan for Meal Plan Monday. We're having internet issues, so I'm going to try to get this up short and sweet. For Monday, we're going to have shepherd's pie. Tuesday is the family's going to have pizza. I am not. I am going to be doing something else. So they're just going to, I think they're going to get a take and bake from Costco. On Wednesday, I'm going to make chicken soup, chicken and barley soup. On Thursday, I'm going to make pancakes, sausage, and fruit. On Friday, I'm going to make a Thai tofu curry and rice. I think I can find that recipe online. I originally got it from the internet, but I have it written down, so I will try to post a link to that. But it has coconut milk, and it's got pineapple and bamboo shoots. And you can use chicken or other protein, but I think it was originally for tofu, and since that's going to be our meatless meal for the week, I'm just going to stick to the tofu. Saturday, we're going to make chili and cornbread. And Sunday we're going to do a ham dinner. I have a bunch of hams in the freezer, and so I'll probably do some roasted vegetables like roasted carrots. I got a big 5-pound bag of carrots at Costco, and maybe like baked potatoes or something like that. So that is the meal plan. Like I said, short and sweet. Hopefully I can get this uploaded on Monday with no problems, and hopefully I'll be able to get another video up this week. Anyway, thanks for watching. I will see you guys next Monday, if not sooner. Bye!